If you're looking for a natural way to boost your energy and vitality, even if you're 80 years old, I've got something special for you today. We're talking about a powerful homemade energy drink that can help you stay strong in bed and keep your energy levels high. Now I know there are a lot of options out there, but this energy drink targets the specific needs of older men. It's packed with natural ingredients that have been used for centuries to enhance stamina, vitality, and yes, even sexual performance. Let's dive into the ingredients. First up, ginger. Ginger is a powerhouse when it comes to boosting blood circulation and increasing energy levels. It's also great for digestion and can help reduce inflammation. Next, we have honey. Honey is a natural sweetener loaded with antioxidants. It's known for its energy-boosting properties and can help improve endurance. Plus, it adds a delicious flavor to our drink. Cinnamon is another key ingredient. This spice not only adds a warm, comforting flavor but also helps regulate blood sugar levels and improve circulation. It's a great addition for overall health and vitality. Red pepper might seem like an unusual choice, but it can really spice things up. It's known to increase metabolism and enhance blood flow, which can be beneficial for sexual health. Just a pinch is all you need. Lemon juice is fantastic for a refreshing, zesty kick. It's packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, helping to boost your immune system and detoxify your body. Lastly, coffee. We all know coffee for its caffeine content, which gives you that much-needed energy boost. It can also help improve mental alertness and stamina. So how do we put it all together? It's simple. Start with a cup of brewed coffee. Add a teaspoon of grated ginger, a tablespoon of honey, a pinch of cinnamon, a pinch of red pepper, and the juice of half a lemon. Stir it all together and voila! You've got a powerful natural energy drink. Now this isn't just about drinking a tasty beverage. It's about reclaiming your vitality and living life to the fullest, no matter your age. Imagine having the energy to pursue your passions, engage in your favorite activities, and enjoy meaningful moments with your loved ones. This drink is more than a remedy. It's a way to rediscover your youthful energy and strength. So give it a try and see the difference it can make in your life. Remember, it's not just about feeling strong in bed, it's about feeling strong in every aspect of your life. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Stay strong, stay healthy, and stay vibrant.